So I'd like to talk about aftercare following hair transplant surgery so you can achieve the best results and also take care of your newly transplanted grafts. The most important thing from day 1 to day 8 is do not touch your hair, don't pick it, don't itch it, and please do not try to pick the scabs. The roots are implanted deep below the skin. However, they still are quite sensitive. No heavy lifting or cardiovascular exercise for at least 7 to 10 days. The reason for this is the hair is normally transplanted in a very tight fashion to provide density. Any increase in pressure within the scalp may cause popping of the new grafts, and we certainly do not want this to happen. It's very important to spray the grafts very regularly with the ATP solution we're going to provide you. We normally ask you to spray your grafts every 20 minutes during the daytime of waking hours, and then every 1 to 2 hours during sleep. So you will be waking up very frequently for week 1, every 1 to 2 hours. It's very important to refrain from wearing any hats, toques, or helmets for the first 7 to 10 days. This is because we don't want anything coming into contact with the newly transplanted grafts. And finally, it's very important that you finish all the medications which we have provided you before your surgery. These are there to protect against any complications and any risk of infection. Okay guys, so just to recap, please take care of your hair. 50% of the work is done by us, being very diligent during surgery. And then obviously we leave you to take care of your aftercare for the next 7 to 10 days. So follow all the instructions, be very diligent. These grafts are like seeds. We want them to grow, we want them to survive. And survival obviously depends upon many factors, including how your body heals, but there are certain factors that you have an enormous impact upon. And therefore, please do follow every one of our post-care instructions. Thanks very much.